Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTS and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by pressing the power button to wake up the screen, and now we need to press and hold on the middle of the screen. This will open the watch face menu, and here we can swipe left or right to scroll through the menu. And to select the watch face we like, we just can tap on it like that. We can also open this menu back and tap on the edit icon below the watch face. And here we can change few things. We can change the widgets right here. There's one, the second one, and the third one right here. You can tap on the weather now. And to change it, you just swipe up and down like this. You can tap right here, change another one. You can tap here to change one, and here, and at the bottom. Once you're done, press the power button to confirm, like that. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.